today we are dealing with math subject. In before session we learned about the multiplications. Okay. Now today we are going to see the multiplication on the number line. Okay. Now see, they have given let us multiply 5 and 1 using the number line. Okay. Means start from 0. Okay. See here. You have to draw the number line. By using this, we are going to see multiplication on the number line. Okay. Now, this is the number line. Okay. This is the starting arrow. That is the ending arrow. Whenever you are writing numbers on the number line, remember one thing, that we have to write from 0. See here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, how many numbers you want, you can note on the number line. Okay, it depends upon you. Now in the textbook they are taken till 20, so we are writing on the board till 20. Okay, now see here, how we are going to solve the multiplications by using the number line. See the exercise number 2. Okay, first one is solved for you in the example. Now see here, multiply using the number line. The first one has been done for you. Okay, now what they have done, I will explain it. 4 into 3 equals to 12. 4 3s are 12. I said you in before session also that you should be by heart your tables. Okay, you should by heart your tables, because for the multiplication there is very need of a tables. Okay, now see here, 4 into 3 equals to 12. 4 times 3 equals to 12. Okay, means in the same group we have seen that also. Okay, 4 plus 4 plus 4 means 4 plus 4 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 means we will do the addition, means in same group the answer will be the same. Okay, now we will see by using the number line how we can do the multiplication, means how we will get the answer 12. Okay, now see what they said, make 4 jump of 3 each. What they have said, make 4 jump of 3. Okay, what they have said, make 4 jump of 3. Okay, means we have to jump 4 times. Okay, to get the 3 of 3. Okay, now see here, consider, see, you can see in your textbook also. Okay, now what we will do, first we will start from 0 line. Now see here, now this we have drawn from the 0 to it will come 3. Okay, now remember children, they said 4 jump. Okay, now this is 1. Okay, how many 3 means this is, we have to count from this 1 2 3. Okay, now this will be the 3. See another jump, from where you will take, you will take from the 3 itself, means 1 2 3 means you have to start from here. Okay, then this will jump and come to the 6. Okay, see here. Now next, okay, count from here 1 2 3. 3 times they said. Okay, see here, now this is our third jump. We have to jump from the 6 to 9. Okay, now last jump, that is from 9 it will start and end to 12. Means when we will jump 4 times. Okay, by using the 3 numbers on a number line, we will get automatically answer, that is the 12. Understood children? You can see here. Don't consider 0. For jumping purpose, you can consider the 0, but while counting the number 3, you have to count from here. Okay, you have to count from here 1 2 3. Again the second, for the second curve, again same thing. Okay, count from number, draw the line from here, but count the number from here. 4 5 6 means these are the 3. Okay, these three group, okay, these three group and these three group. The answer is 12. Understood, children? Now see here. The second, what they have said, make 6 jump of 2 each. Okay. Now see here, second box yellow. Now what we have to do? Now we have to skip one box and we have to do the second box yellow. Now skip one box means there is 1, 2, 30 numbers are written. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to color the second box by yellow color. See here, I am using here yellow. Means see, I am coloring this. Okay. Skip one box and color the next one. This one is skip. Okay. Now what you have seen here? What you have seen here? See, this is the table of 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Okay. 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18 and 2 10s are 20. See here. Okay. Now in same way you have to color this also. Now what they have said here? Pink. Okay. By pink chalk, by pink color you have to color the third box. Means which table we are going to learn here? This is the table of 3. See here. 1 2, third box I have to color with the pink. Okay, by skipping the 1 2 number. Now we have to skip 4 5. Then this. Then again this. Again same. Okay, now see here. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Means this box will come. Means refer to the third table. Okay, now see here. Count the number given below and color every fourth box with green. Now this is the green color. Fourth box 1 2 3 4. Means this is which table? This is the table of 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Means we are skipping. Always count from this number. Start from here. When you will color this box, 1 2 3 4. Again 1 2 3 4. Okay, like this you have to color all the boxes, and this is the which color? Which table? Sorry, this is the table of 4. Now see here, exercise number 4. Okay, fill in the box using skip counting. Okay, now we have to see here how many numbers are skipped by the other. Okay, now see here, how many there? I think now see here, 8 9 10. By one number it is skipped. Means here is the 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, understood children? In same way you have to do this also. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Okay, in same way. Here also same, 12, 13, 14, 15. Here is the skip of by the 2 numbers. Okay, see here, you can see here 13 14, then 15. You can see here 16 17. Okay, like this you have to do here. Okay, this exercise. Now see, multiplication tables. This is done for you. 1 time is 1, 2 times is 1, 3 times is 3. Means when we will refer the one table, 1 1s are 1, 2 1s are 2, 3 1s are 3, 4 1s are 4. In starting table always the answers will be same, such as 4 1s are 4, 5 1s are 5, 6 1s are 6, 7 1s are 7, 8 1s are 8, 9 1s are 9, 10 1s are 10. Means what they have shown, when we will multiply any number with 1, the answer will be the number itself. Okay, understood children? When a number is multiplied by 1, the answer is the number itself. You can see here also the definition is same. Okay, filling the blanks. Okay, then what the 5 into dash equals to 5 means what we have to write? We have to write here 1, means 5 1s are 5. Okay, 4 into 1 equals to 4. In same way solve this also. In same pattern the tables are given. Now this is the multiplication by multiplication table of 2. Okay, same. Now see here, 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, means 3 times 2 is 6. We have seen first only when we will write 3 times 2, okay, the answer is 3. Such as just only we have studied in before. See, 3 plus 3 how much? 6, and 3 into 2 times is the 6. Okay, in same pattern they have written here. Okay, now see here, when a number is multiplied by 2, the answer has 0 2 4 6 or 8 in a ones place. Okay, you can understood ones place means what? First we write the tens and ones, means 0 will come in the tens place, and whatever the numbers are there such as 0 2 4 6 8, it will come in the ones place. Okay, these numbers are called as even numbers. When the numbers are multiplied by 2, then they are called as the even numbers. Okay, you can see here filling the blanks. Now what answer, what number we should put here so we can get the answer here? That is the 4 2s are 8. Okay, 3 2s are 6. In same way 5 2s are 10. So children, please by heart the tables, it is very necessary. Okay, now you can see here multiplication table of 3. 1 times 3 is 3, 2 times 3 is the 6, just now we have seen. 3 times 3 is the 9, means 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 means is the 9. 4 times 3 is 12. Okay, in the same way this is the nothing but the table of 3. Okay, the 3 times table contains the number is has odd, even, odd, even. Okay, odd numbers are those that have 1 3 5 7 9 in a ones place. Okay, those are called as a odd numbers. Same we have to solve here. This is the multiplication of 4, this is the multiplication of 5. Okay, same tables they have given here. Okay, and this is the multiplication of 10. Okay, means same 6 7 8, this will come in the same way. Now complete the patterns. When we multiply a number by 10, the answer has 0 in the ones place. Means what they have said, see here, 1 times 10 is 10, 2 times 10 is the 20, 3 times 10 means 1 tens are 10, 2 tens are 20, 3 tens are 30, 4 tens are 40, means like a 10 into 10 equals to 100. Means what they were saying, when we multiply number by 10, the answer has 0 in a ones place. Means see here 0 20 30, means this is the tens and ones. Okay, means the 0 is on the ones place. Understood children? Now complete the patterns. 50 60 70 80 90 100. Okay, 10 20 30 40 50 60 70 80. Okay, we have to fill the numbers. Now see here, fill in the blanks using given number. Now they have given here the numbers. In exercise number 5 we have to write a exact number. Okay, now 3 into 2, yes, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Is the 6 here? Yes, it is here. Then our answer is 6. Okay, now see here, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. 18 is here. Can you see? Yes, it is here. Then the answer is 18. In same way you have to learn the tables. Remember children that you should know 2 to 10 tables. Okay, so you can solve this easily. So please by heart the tables. Now this is called as multiplying vertically. Okay, जैसे कि हमने एडिशन सब्सट्रैक्शन वर्टिकली किया है, टेंस और वंस की जगह, वैसे ही ये करना है. नाउ व्हाट दे हैव रिटन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन इज ऑल्सो डन वर्टिकली. 6 into 5 इक्वल्स टू 30. मतलब कैसे करना है, यहाँ पे दे हैव शोन टेंस और वंस, मतलब यहाँ पे 6 आएगा इंटू 5. Okay, 6 5s are 30, means answer will come directly 30. Means 3 will come in the place of tens and 0 will come in the place of ones. Now we have to solve the same exercise here. Okay, now they have already written here tens and ones 7 into 2. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. Okay, now what to our answer, it will come like this 14. Understood children? Now you can see this also. Okay, these are also you have to solve. For example, this 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. Okay, means 2 will come in the tens place and 0 will come in the ones place. Now we will solve this exercise later on. Okay, if you are able to solve, you can solve and send on Neela ma'am's number. Now we have completed this multiplication topic. Okay, in next topic we will solve this exercise, then we will move on the shapes. Okay, bye bye.